Marty McFly, King of Receipts.
One here that is like Alice in Wonderland place that is really cute.
Maybe like a restaurant?
Yeah, but it's outside. It's not, because here is the food place, right?
Right.
The milkshake is really good too. I just need to remember what is it. I think it's for there.
Okay, so just a little update. They said it's going to take about 3 hours for the phone to get fully cleaned. We don't know if it's going to work yet. They'll let us know. So we have basically like 3 hours to burn.
Yeah.
So we're going to get something to eat. Not sure we're going to eat yet.
Yeah.
You know, let me. Yeah, so this seems to be like mostly like fast food.
Yeah, here is the food place in the mall. Like, I don't know how you call it in English,
Like
but
food court.
Food what?
Food court.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's what I say, you know.
Yeah, but in Portuguese it's praça de alimentação. That is alimentation park, food park, I don't know.
Right.
We have some restaurants outside too that we can check. Let me
Yeah, if
see.
we want to get like food, that's not fast.
I want to show you this Alice in Wonderland place.
Okay, so we're gonna give you the update. Starting from the beginning, we went to, our phone got wrecked on the beach. First of all, my phone, along with some of her stuff, but we're dealing with the phones. So this morning we walked to LeBlanc. They have a Samsung store, but they don't do repairs. So they gave us the address for Samsung authorized repair shop. They do TVs, phones, whatever. We go there, and this is good for you guys to know. If your phone is not bought in Brazil, they will not look at it, period. However, if you have an iPhone, I'm told that iPhone is universal no matter where you go. 1 point for iPhone, just to let you guys know. So, instead of doing that, we went to this other place called iGringo. Somehow we had the wrong address because somebody put the wrong address.
Somebody.
Yeah, we don't know.
We don't have any idea about who was. Like, we don't have any idea because the person that was with the Uber, I don't know who was.
Yeah, we don't know.
But yeah.
Just because I'm pointing this way or that way doesn't mean I'm saying the person. I'm just. So anyway, we go to the wrong address, but they had Americanas there, and I had something to return anyway, so I tried to return, and guess what? The way Americanas works, if you return something, they don't give you your money back, they give you a credit. That's okay, but here's the problem. If you don't spend that credit the same day, you lose your money.
So you have 30 days to do the change.
Right.
And so it's better like to wait to do the change and then you enjoy whatever.
Right. So needless to say, from there we went to this place called iGringo. They don't speak English, so just let you know. So even though it's iGringo, no English is spoken. So they're going to do a cleaning of the phone for 280 reals, which is roughly about, I think that's like $70, I think.
I think
somewhere around $70, $75. They don't know if the phone's going to work. Now, if it doesn't work, I'm pretty sure they're going to give me a price of what it costs to fix. If it goes over my deductible, everything is covered. If it's under, then I'll just pay for it out of pocket, whatever. But I think regardless of what happens, I'm still going to get an iPhone. So stay tuned on how this is going to work out. Now, just to let them know, we got there around like what, 1:30, 2 o'clock?
I think so. Like, we leave there, the iGringo was 3 p.m.
Okay, so the cleaning takes roughly 3 hours. So instead of sitting down in the waiting room, we said, why don't we just go get something to eat? It's been a long day, we've been walking, this has been going on, it's been crazy. So we're at a place called Bunny Boom.
Bunny Boom, yeah, that is thematic, like the decorations about Alice in Wonderland. It's really cool, have nice drinks. Today, I think is, because it's the beginning of the week, so I think they just received some stuff. So for example, the salmon, they say that arrived today, so it's fridge, so they cannot cook that.
Right.
And they don't have like the smoky eyes that is really nice for their drinks. They do like amazing drinks. So yeah, but in a normal day, maybe a weekend, they're amazing. Normally it's busy, they have nice food, nice drinks, and good decoration, so it's cool.
All right, so we're waiting on the food we just ordered. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on some B-roll footage. So stay tuned. So the day is probably like 3/4 way done. We still got more stuff to do, but stay tuned. This is definitely informative. We'll talk to you guys later. We are back to complete the story. Erica and Marty. All right, so let's just recap for a second. We ended off in the restaurant. The food was pretty good. I didn't like the mustard honey chicken so much. It kind of messed up my stomach a little bit, but that's okay. Drinks are fire. And they had this drink called 43.
Yeah, the liqueur.
Yes, liquor core 43. That's what you saw the guy pouring in a steel cup. It kind of reminds me of honey jack. All right, so just to give you an idea. Now, when we tried to go back to iGringo, for some reason, we called them at 5:30 and nobody was picking up. So we're thinking, okay, maybe the phone is not on the hook. But the lady, she did tell us 6 o'clock, right?
Yeah, she said we closed 6 o'clock.
Right, so around 5:30ish, we started calling. We called an Uber. We were basically 12 minutes late, but they weren't picking up the phone the entire time we were calling before 6. So who knows if they left early. But anyway, so we get there, starts raining, whatever. So we said, okay, we're gonna have to do this tomorrow. So the next day, Erica wasn't able to come. I went myself. I picked up the phone. They said it's unsalvageable. Can't be fixed. You're out of luck. It is what it is. So I said, okay. Took the phone, went home. Now, good thing, I have a good social circle in Brazil. So I was able to reach out to a guy who knew a guy who sells brand new iPhones for more or less American prices. Because you know, if you buy Apple or anything electronics here, it's pretty much double the price. We already had a video on that. Maybe I'll put that card somewhere here so you can check it out. So I had the option. A friend of mine comes every 2 weeks or so, and he usually brings me anything I need, but I didn't know if I wanted to wait 2 weeks to let this phone come. So I said, you know what? I checked the prices, and I said the price of the phone, American, is not too far off. I mean, he might have charged $60 more so he can make his little profit, which is fine. At least I have the phone right now. Brought it to me. It was brand new in the box. Peeled it open, checked it out. Once I got the phone, as you can see, it's the i15 Pro Max, right? Let you guys know. So once I got the phone, I'm up all night loading up apps, transferring this, that, you know. So Erica comes the next day, and we try to put the SIM card in there because the Android I had a SIM card. Come to find out, the new iPhones don't take physical SIMs. So I'm like, all right, what do we gotta do? So she said we gotta go to the Vivo store.
But the ones that they buy outside Brazil. The ones they buy in America don't have.
Oh, so you're saying only... So, okay. So you're saying only American phones...
I don't know if it's only American phones. I don't know if in Europe too, but like... Because normally this guy that you know, that you bought with him, they buy outside and bring to here.
Oh, okay. All right. But in Brazil, they still have the physical...
I guess so, yeah.
Okay. So either way, we go to the Vivo store, and it literally took maybe 5 minutes. She asked me a bunch of questions.
Yeah, it was quick.
Yeah, she switched over in 5 minutes, and boom, I was good. So now, I have the best of both worlds. As you guys can see, I've got an Android S23, boom, which is one right before the new one they just came out with. And I got the iPhone. And this is the Brazilian line, this is the American line. So for me, I'm not giving up Android to get with Apple, and I'm also not doing the reverse. I'm kind of in the middle. So I see the differences the first few days. There is a slight difference on both phones. I think some things are good with Apple that Samsung doesn't have, and Samsung has things good about it that Apple doesn't have. So maybe I'll do a review on the difference between Samsung and Apple at a later date. Send me a message, leave me a comment, we'll figure that out. So where are we at now? So basically, I've been watching a bunch of videos, setting up my phone, customize it the way I want. I have it maybe 85% of where I need my apps to be. I can go right to it. My fingers have to get used to operating the Mac OS on the phone. But other than that, I'm pretty much off to the races. I'm actually getting a better case. This is the case that they gave me. And he's going to bring, I ordered a case. It's like durable. It's got a kickstand. Looks like you can drop it, and it protects the lenses also. So I didn't really see anything in Brazil like it, so I ordered it from American Amazon. He's gonna bring it. I'll probably have it in like 2 weeks or so. So this was an interesting series to make. So we kind of detailed it from start to finish. What happens when your phone gets damaged in Rio?
It's a big adventure.
Yes, and you know, we've got my butler. Where is he at? Butler.
Master Marty, how can I serve you?
Yes, I'll have 2, please.
And 2 sugars for Master Erica.
Okay, all right, so that's my butler about to fix us some drinks.
Would you also like caviar, sir?
Oh, no, that's okay. We're good.
Right away, sir.
So stay tuned for more Erica and Marty adventures, and let us know what you want to see. If you want to see us go on a trail, you want to see us go to a particular restaurant, a beach, a situation, a festival, you know, a samba class, I don't know. Let us know what you want to see, because we're going on many, many adventures here. So stay tuned. All right? Oh, any last words?
I'm good.
All right.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Ah, yes. And there you have it. Such a bold, crisp telling of a story, I would gather. One's intelligence has been elevated by partaking in such a listening. Well, that's all the time Erica and Marty have for today. Stay tuned for their next adventure. Oh, would you be a chap? Please like and subscribe to this magnanimous channel. This is Grant Wellington III, and I bid you a farewell.